Hello everyone. So recently, I think a couple of weeks back, I announced the launch of our training portal. So if you go to training.sparksys.com, you can take a look at our trainings, and this portal is something that where you can go and you can take a look at our proper training courses that we are building. Some of these trainings are free and would be free, but uh, if we have spent a lot of time building some training, then of course it will be paid. And apart from paid trainings, you will be able also you will also be able to take a look at our upcoming training, like live trainings, webinars, interactive webinars, uh, consultations. If you want to book a one-to-one call with me, so this is a place to go. But in this video, I actually wanted to talk about something really interesting. Now, I have been making videos on a variety of topics related to Jira, mostly Jira, but Atlassian tools in general. And my channel has been popular among enthusiasts who want to do something useful with Jira. But if I look at the uh, feedback, or if I try to do some analysis based on the views and people who have been watching my videos and the questions and comments I receive, I get majority of comments related to Scriptrunner. Now I have done plenty of videos on Scriptrunner, and in the past few months, or I should say like last 2 years, I started making videos on Jira Cloud, REST API, automation, because that was needed, and I have been doing it. I will of course continue to do it, but I have decided to stick, or I should say not stick, but I should say give priority to what I truly love doing, and that is automation, integration. And I do this anyways every day. And I know Jira Data Center, talking about Scriptrunner, I mean, to be honest, Scriptrunner on cloud is not the same at all. It is in fact totally different, but it is still good. But when it comes to Scriptrunner for Jira on server data center, that is where people want to learn from me. And I will have like a Scriptrunner for Jira both on data center and cloud, proper paid course. But what I will be doing, I will refresh my mastering Scriptrunner for Jira course, free course on variety of topics, of course, that I have covered in the last 4, 5, 6 years. So if you look here, of course, we have like a lot of videos, and some of these videos, although they are relevant, fortunately, Scriptrunner for Jira, if, like open any video of mine, that video, the script or whatever I have shared will still work. Of course, there is a possibility that you might need to modify like few lines here and there, like the way you access few things. But 99% of the cases, the script will and should work. And at the same time, because some of these videos are recorded on the older version of Scriptrunner, they are not straightforward for new users to. I mean, if you are a new user to Jira and you want to learn Scriptrunner on data center, you might struggle a bit. If you're watching an old video, of course you will get pointers, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to refresh these videos. It will take some time. I'm not really saying it will happen like in the next 1 or 2 months, but my priority right now, I have decided intentionally to basically make as many videos as I can on Scriptrunner. And of course, I need your support. I would love to, because I'm doing a refresh and now I have like some audience, not a big audience, but some audience. I can always, look at your questions, your tickets that you have been raising for me. For example, if you want to raise a ticket for me, you can just go to contact me and just let me know what kind of script you want me to write. So I'll try to share and realign the videos that I have been making, and I will be refreshing based on your questions as well. And yeah, that is it. Basically, I thought I'll let you know because I have plenty of content on my channel, and honestly, I don't massively enjoy working on cloud, but unfortunately, we have to because there is no other option. If a client reaches out to me and they are looking for help on Jira Cloud, of course I will help them. I will not really say no, but at the same time, I know there are a lot of organizations still on data center, and they and people who work for those organizations where they have to maintain and uh, do something on data center, they still use Scriptrunner. So that is what I've decided to do, and I will be doing in the next few months. I will be refreshing my Scriptrunner for Jira course, and while I'm doing it, of course, some of these videos are like 5 years old, maybe even older. So I will try to. Uh, I will try to, of course, I don't really want to cover the exact same thing just for refreshing. I'll try if I can find how that particular feature of Scriptrunner has improved or is different. Some of these features, as I mentioned, the only difference is the UI. For example, if you go to some of the inbuilt scripts, they're still the same. So it is okay if we are just doing the same thing again, but at the same time, the interface of Scriptrunner, I think a couple of years back, they changed the entire like admin panel, and it looks totally different now, which is in a way a good thing because you can now easily find stuff. And at the same time, because when we're talking about Scriptrunner, everything is a script, or majority in 90% of the cases it is nothing but a script. So I do have my own GitHub repository. So do star my GitHub repository. Do whatever you want to do with it. It's of course on GitHub. So the intention is to help you, and at the same time, if you have any ideas for me, reach out to me. All right, that is it. And by the way, just one more thing, I do have because I do a lot of these things online, and I of course share information. My channel YouTube is of course the only place where you can find regular updates from me, because I make regular videos. No, I make daily videos. So I make daily videos. I have been able to make daily videos because I do a lot of work around Atlassian tools. I'm an Atlassian consultant, so and I always have something to share. But if you want to stay in touch with me, I do have my channel, but the problem with my channel is that you have to, of course, watch my video, and it is a way to, of course, learn something that I think can be useful. But you can, of course, raise a ticket for me. And apart from raising a ticket, if you want to be in touch with any update, for example, if I have a new course to launch, or if I have a new training or a webinar, the easiest way to get notified is to subscribe to a newsletter. And you can go to sparksys.com/newsletter, or you can go to ravisagar.in/newsletter. Just subscribe to my newsletter. And if I have anything significant, I don't really use my newsletter to send like daily emails. You can probably expect an email every week or something like that. So this is something that you can do if you want to stay in touch. And of course, I'm on LinkedIn. If you go to LinkedIn, if you send me a message, I will try to reply you. All right, that is it. Bye bye.